for a hard dress. Who is your celebrity girlfriend? Now welcome back on Top Line Show. But really, oh, easy, you get celebrity girlfriend. As in, hey, easy. Wait now. Wait now. Who be a celebrity? Think and small. What is that? You say you're saying that nobody's good for you.
Make I borrow the language.
No, wait now. Think it very well. Easy, no. You must get celebrity. Something, somehow. You don't have to be inside film.
Okay.
Or music. It can just be anything.
Funny enough, the person when I even like, you never did Niger. No, true. Even the day where Chidima come here, Chidima say she don't like person way into entertainment and.
Okay, so your own be like that. You don't like somebody who is
into entertainment. Yeah, just like person just the package because
Okay, so who this person when no they inside entertainment will get package?
Well, the only person I like is the entire entertainment. Now foreign, you don't watch this Hunger Game now?
No, I don't know. We talk like that. You don't carry enter international. Please leave me. Mona, help me welcome our guests on Top Night Show. I don't know the other one. OJ something. Oh, Tina. One game we used to play when we did. Oh, Tina, oh, Tina, oh, Tina. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome our guests, Otino and Iba. How about it? Hey. Kim. Sit down.
You won't shake you. Me, I know the form.
It's okay. Una two know una self, I think.
Yeah.
Where una for know una self from?
You don't do. I don't feel like.
For street, you don't say that.
No say. When people say street now where? According to what be street now where? Now where una they live? I be how?
See, when we mean street, no be quota, no be.
Yeah, we not know.
We mean where as they grind they go.
Yeah.
So
grind.
You know understand?
As we the hustle they go actually. We go meet for street. Actually, what you mean be say we don't know from inside house because me have been gas come out.
Come out, go where?
And I guys come out from house. I guys link up with them. That's time they work for studio, so I come out. Go track.
Okay, now like studio manager.
Yeah, I'm a producer. I'm producer jam we just play. So I'm produce the jam we bring me come. So I been guys hustle at that time, and he been come my house. I been meet up with them for one day. Okay. But now he know me finish. He know me reach out. So that's how close we be.
Now they quarrel at all.
My issue with them be say my beat, my big ass pass. One other person beat.
Who be the other person and him be the other person?
No, when they produce some other songs, I just envy them beats. Some beats, say you go just.
Okay, so you be one of those where go enter they say, my brother, see this thing where they do. I want strong something. Or don't give me the thing like common masses.
Yeah, like,
give me VIP something.
Bank you go relate now. Strong thing shop pass.
So if person can't tell you that kind of thing, you they send an extra.
Then me I will tell and say I will make your money plenty pass that other guy.
And he don't know how to calm me down.
Okay, so supposing can't do all this one, say don't worry, I get it. Oh, don't worry, that's the beat I have for you. Oh, but I say young, they didn't fabricate that this, they didn't fabricate that beat now. Then they come produce that beat, then the beat no come blow. What do you go do?
Me where they pray. Me way positive scatter gas blow. If it happen then you know get how. It's that good.
This kind guy like this, we collect that beat to say
I go cherish her. I hold her with 2 hands. I go hold her like this.
Jesus, blow. This beat, blow.
But you know the level now. I gas cherish her. I mean, gas inside the cherish her for him to even fit send me next time. So I don't joke with those kind of things too.
So
wow.
So now him come be your.
But besides, he get your own songs where they inspire me too, where they do music too.
So
as a
producer when they sing too.
Yeah, that's a producer.
So now you go they do your beats, they sing on top of your beats. So as producer, you know if you collect your beats from somebody else.
I feel it. I don't actually voice on person. You understand? You get one guy who don't feature me, and I mean they produce this guy. You understand? But the song where he feature me comes in another producer.
Producer.
So it happen like that. Now they bounce on any beat.
Instances, you know.
Ngwa, who be Ostaino, abi Otino?
Otino, na my name.
Then your name can be Ikpa.
Yeah, that's Ikpa.
Uncle, you know Ikpa. Ikpa Udo.
Ikpa Udo, I would see me tied out of Sukatan.
No, but Ikpa also it's my brother. It's our soft work. So if you like, do your eye and your ear like this in the recommend. Now we are home.
Yeah, I'm just
if
feeling
we
at
like
home.
this decide say today we want to enter this program in our language. Yes. So which literally it means skin. Control.
True.
And it means sad as in
Yeah, sad Ikpa.
Yeah.
A tall something.
Yeah,
A tall skin.
something
Yeah.
tough. Something
Good
tough.
girl.
So I do.
Boss,
you really wish you really gas follow the speaker or dialect, even if you know from where from, you know.
My brother.
It
Don't worry.
makes
It's
sense,
only
It
Yoruba
makes
or
sense.
Igbo.
It makes sense. Yeah,
So
yeah.
this your name, Ikpa.
We're feeling at home, I understand you.
It's like what job today. Like,
Since you come and quite quadro, so I want money.
Okay, so say that. Okay, say
Yeah.
poor in our language.
Yeah, for sure, for
Also
sure.
poor in English.
You know, see a while to carry the other people along. See me copy on DJ Easy Beat. He has to follow us up, so that's why.
Come get a handsome young man from our side. I call it here, but when you
As
see a
in-
handsome young man, you just have to support his ministry.
Thanks,
And that's what we are here to do.
I feel encouraged. You know.
Ikpa, so when your mom papa born you, now Ikpa then give you.
No, actually, I'm Udo. I'm the second son in my family. That's Udo. Udo is like second.
So
son.
you for Udo. Your
No,
first.
like no. I'm telling me, don't see the best son. They came. That's my full.
Okay, see the best-
That's three names. Now,
Nothing hides. And see
At
the
all,
mean
at all.
what hides.
what hides?
Yes, nothing
what is
hides.
hidden?
Yes.
You may see the best actually, Sha, because of us here, I'm on offer, you know.
Yes.
That's what's up.
Oh, take 5, Ageneka.
Bless you, man.
It's all good.
Many
Ado,
accept
it's
some-
all right.
some
So this ring that you wear in your hand, Eko is fashion ring.
I couldn't find something to keep the hands busy, and I do fashionable.
Oh
you
my
know.
God.
And they give them more gold, so remember.
I'm not believing.
Easy just they look us like say what's popping here.
No,
I did very sure say this show we go come back.
Yes,
I just sure say never be like this.
No.
But when next we come, you know go be like this.
No.
We keep him.
You know, you
keeps
get lost in
getting
it.
better.
Mama senior said the break and I'm today.
Una get lost in
Nothing
it,
when you do
today.
for fit do on top this show. All my brothers have joined with me. Mama senior said the break and I'm only on young pop. Not for this bad thing.
I even wish I in the
Nothing. Mama say ain't nothing do nothing. You go see us, go follow, go become Voltron.
in
this guy did
the follow I can when Messi make a number you know hustle your monthro galaxy my hustle you keep my keep back for na radio so mother can get near this station I will give back a leave so
Okay.
Translate.
Be like Bia.
Translation.
Easy want to be part of this thing. Easy want to be part of this gist.
The translation is in our mother tongue with that.
Oh, we know. Yeah.
Bless him, man.
Eh.
But easy, I beg no vex, just go.
No, I go show now.
Try carry
Na me go
along,
play.
bro.
Na me go
We
play
dey
that
tell
song.
Easy bit, may go bring somebody from his village and come.
Bro, you go gas pay TV.
Eh.
Now she go play the song for her. She go play the song.
Like easy, not begin a murmur for your own language.
No, Easy got a good heart. So,
Yeah, for real.
I mean,
In a
it's
nice
just that
guy, a nice
it's
guy.
very rare for me to just enter language and stay there because I used to
yeah,
enter and
yeah,
come out. But
yeah.
today is a different kind of case
As in,
because
so-
my brothers, it remains just to bring, you know, it you know.
Yeah, I know. Coming from where we come from.
You know, Owodo, that is it. Andrew, that's it.
Otino Mwam.
Oh,
And I'm Yamem.
I think never would young Fiona. God bless you very well.
And a good young fear.
Amen. How do you want to
Me try and all
because we made it one by one by one.
You know. But I don't say.
Yes, so the game must.
I don't go
Everybody's
talk say you
confused.
never see something. You don't see something.
Don't worry. You never teach on
You
One
don't-
now,
you don't
so
see
that
things.
when we continue to talk, we go play
Yeah.
their video back to back.
You know.
Otino and Ikpa
Proud
is in the
of.
studio.
Yeah.
It's my brothers.
And we did it together,
Yes.
you know, like
So
right now.
we're gonna play their video, and then when we come back, we talk some more. We don't talk their music.
No,
What kind of
I
music
know.
we say now?
As
You know, I think once they say motivate them more, they look
got
studio and
yourself,
all
you
that.
need to know,
Let me
yourself
finish
need to
talking
know,
before you play
yourself need
music.
to know. positive vibe,
Diamond Wood. That's it.
That was actually how I was supposed to sing. I mean,
What?
that speech came in here,
okay.
and that treble voice set for you. So
Okay.
I work on my...
Okay, pitchy band. I'm going one sexy pitch.
But that man came, I'm convinced. No shaking, at least we'll carry it along.
No shake. Don't blame us, you know, because as we are, about they were just like in our sitting room.
Yeah.
You know, just, you know, having nice time.
I'm feeling at home.
Come on, so
Late night show,
this,
you know.
This your song. Otino. Da. Afodinaro.
Dojo.
I'm hearing about you in for no.
I told Mama, made a mad marriage or it also. I did something from this song. I'm born. Oh, I made a mad.
You know, take that.
You know. Go on, no.
Yeah.
Man could do that as I do like this.
So what's it?
Because we guys make ourselves proud. I mean, you know, if we just play some beats when no make sense again. Because he wish me well. I know people can give DJ easy now.
You know, if I go to beats when no make sense.
This is nice show in vernacular. It's nice show in our native language.
Okay, I beg, if you just switch, even if not pidgin ahead, so that if you
no, Izibit is all right. Izibit is by my side. If feel me in, no. So we don't mean.
By which side? I don't know.
Diamond Wood.
I know for imagine they don't say everything they happen for this.
Yeah.
No, not see. What do they talk? We say. I just ask and say the inspiration behind this. Daniel Otino.
Daniel me. Otobong.
Otobong. That in the menu is a very sweet name. Otobong is from the Lord. That's what it means. It's from the Lord.
As in descendant.
It's directly from the Lord.
Otobong, yeah.
The inspiration for these beats. How the thing takes that? Well, after him done chatting, you say you must give me beats where makes sense.
Makes sense.
So how you come sit and say decide say okay these beats. Because I go ask him. Because the rap when he rap there, my brother I'm talking about at the studio. I'm just sitting down here. I'm understanding what he's saying, but now the speed, the alacrity, everything, it just flow, enter. And then I go ask, is it what you didn't think? From your church
because not DJ, and I like I'm saying, you know, from our stage, so you know, go use sentiment and answer the question. I will answer you like, as it be real.
What? So, but let's know the brain, the inspiration, everything behind.
How they deal, bro?
Coming up with that beat,
coming up with the
knowing
beat,
that's what he would like.
Him is a very good artist. Sometimes nobody just go color beat for studios. They just snap me one beat, make a kill him. You know, most artists now I think they do this.
DJ Easy can relate though.
When you actually have something in mind, like this is what I want today, like I don't just want any beats. I want something like that sounds this way, something that can give me that fire.
Yes.
You understand? Now you've now tuned me into it already. So me now will come reason okay. I like this. Make I see what you get already, because you know artists don't write songs again.
Yes.
You understand? But he did.
Yeah,
you know, I already draft.
You wrote it before the beat.
You know, draft.
I had it on my mind.
I said, okay, make I hear some more freestyle.
Yeah.
As him mainly begin boss and it enter my head already. I fire down. So as it take calm, the thing don't inspire me already.
How many beats you do for her before you pick this one? Or as you drop this beat, because they know this one.
No. See,
I like where we did. I like where we did, and I like where we don't do.
As it just begin, as in the thing just marry, the beat I just make for and the thing just marry. I think the thing just marry. So we don't even need begin going to make another beat.
Because some people check them before we drop them. Some people check them like
plan, give people
like boss in my bishop when we come through.
Yes.
He ain't been hear the song, he didn't know the song before I actually shot the video.
Okay.
So he came knowing fully well what we were working on. So some people don't check them out to listen them because we know guys go, you know, if you go fall our hands, there's nothing like you're speaking what people don't understand.
Like a third
everybody has to be kind of, that's what's up. So
Izibit, what do you think?
Yeah, firstly, I like the fact that you use, you know, in your own dialect, and I think shall make sense.
But like everybody now, they use dialect to.
And from where we're from, I've been already day sure say we know much for that angle.
That drop like that, indigenous, you know.
Okay.
I think I have like love songs that right now. as in different sounds. I can't even explain different
But
sounds.
in your
that style.
dialect.
That style.
So with the way the song take flow, I really like him per se, not because of say in the here.
Yes.
And if you hear this song personally, if I hear this song for radio,
Yes.
knowing the fact say I don't know the language,
Yes.
because
Yes.
when they take fast,
Yes.
I know if it tell what
It
they
fast
talk.
though.
So I feel even think say now Ghanaian they rap say.
Yes.
You understand? So you feel
that's what
relate with them like that. So you don't feel and go far. Maybe
After Sarkodie, they rap. Nobody they hear what they talk, but the
you understand?
the
Hey,
music
you just follow the vibe, the bounce of the beat, and all of that. So big ups, big ups, big ups.
But
Thanks a
you
lot.
know why? Because actually, if you go like not just okay, when the song first dropped, people were thinking I was Ghanaian. I had to.
Na lie.
Until now, I know if
Ghana.
tell, I know if even tell some people say I know be Ghanaian with that style.
Oh yeah.
So
Okay, so which time you decide say I want enter music, one, and then two, this na the kind direction I dey carry my music go.
that was like 2009. Yeah.
2009.
Yeah. That was when I now started thinking of, okay, what do I work on? How do I put this stuff on my mind out? How do I package it? How do I sell it?
Sell it now.
Yeah, so that was like 2009. So from 2010 to 2011, we had began to grow, you know. So small, God just they help us, they try for us, they lift us. So I'm happy like I'm here like right now. Tied out.
So may we go back to video.
Is allowed?
Why are you laughing? Ndangata you start to laugh.
We're just being happy. This show no be show if we come sad. We know
I'm
the
not-
form.
what
We know
is
the
that?
form.
No.
This happiness is
Our show
real.
no be like Mbano.
We
Our
dey
show-
house, now house be this one.
Yes.
Oh, see the J's in. I know they frown. Else I don't they say, boss, I beg.
Easy.
Hope say no.
You know why we call it easy beats? Easy is easy like that.
You know.
That your video, where una shoot am?
That was in Lagos, yeah. Surulere. There's a studio.
Okay,
we
now
shot-
studio
it was
based.
indoor. Yeah, we shot indoor, so
Okay.
yeah. As at that time, we had a big studio in Surulere, and everybody was content. We shot. That was what's up.
So what be the reception of this song now?
Yeah, like boss is like, I don't know if you even shout, like boss is like Timaya follow tweet, say you get one song coming through that time. Say songs. I don't meet some bosses where I've been the dream to work with.
Yes.
Like bosses like he just returned me for Ayaya in song we just dropped
Yes.
too. So it was truth song like this. That's where I all started. That's where everything began from. So I know the things I've worked on and the things I'm working on. So with God and
So
time,
you
I
get
mean,
where you
everything,
dey
yeah,
go.
for sure.
And nothing fit change am. That thing, it dey very real. Today, this industry, you know where you dey go because some people they confuse along the road.
Yeah.
They can decide, Abante this road.
You know, easy
Let me tell
actually.
a left turn.
Yeah, you know,
Let me
easy.
tell a left turn. If it's not a left turn, let me tell a right turn. Yes. We go small break, come back. But you know, we see me and Easy still gets some kind question to ask during the video shoots of this thing, and then your future plans. Or we go market small.
Yeah.
We they come back. So we dey talk for night show. Apart from soft work, when we dey talk, una never teach on
Yeah, real
Now
talk.
waiting we dey always dey talk. If una don't know us since, me Neda and Easy with years, we dey always talk. You never teach on. Sometimes when the word have failed us in our mouth, Easy go just know, go just kill.
Flash
You
am.
never teach on. Me and him go just.
That one alone can't go with Kindle something, you know, can't get into talk about it.
I know. That is it. That's how the flow they be. So we get Ipa, we get Otto Bang in the studio. Man, you know.
I've been again going to know.
I know.
Even mom says every
I
time
do.
about Tino, no,
Go for Madicast now.
I didn't
Yeah, now as you dey blow go, people call you what you are.
I know what the more you want to finish some for.
Yeah,
Otto Bang.
yeah.
Then you know that this person know me, Charles. You know when you go be like Easy, somebody call your real name,
Yeah.
your native name. You go look and say, sorry, I don't know you before. Don't vex. So, who call your whole name, your full name?
Like people like
Yes.
people like Tubaba go down tire because I know some people don't even till now know say name na innocent.
Yeah.
People see they call her Two-Face. The man don't say, okay, I don't gravitate.
And you can't just allow because that's what's up.
Two Baba.
Two Baba.
You know, even when Nepa don't change name, They take light now.
True. You know, it's your che.
To erase that old name.
Yeah, this life not trip, so this life not trip.
So we get Tino and Ipa inside studio. Amenwood. That's the title of the song. Meaning either you don't kill me or I don't die. In a good way. I don't die. But
positive, you know.
Yes.
Positive something.
In a good way.
Yeah.
When we talk of this your video, una shoot for Lagos. Now morning to night shoot or 2 days or 3 day shoot?
That is like what I was saying. This is Amenwood. I have something I just dropped. That's right now. The video just came through too. We shot here in Lagos, Lekki first one here.
Okay.
So that's what's up like right now. That's Amenwood. Amenwood was shot as Surulere.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
So how you take get those girls when they your video, okay?
We know some people, so we control some people, and they control some people.
We can sabi other people.
Yeah.
If you need, they don't enter. You don't say don't enter line, but they don't enter song. Lyric.
Yeah.
Because
even Otino, he wasn't around in Lagos. He came with some people too, actually. I mean, like.
So now that kind of shoot, now finish for night or?
Yeah, we started in the afternoon, towards evening, then night. Everything was done.
Okay, so as I finish, you can't go now.
As in, I tire. Not grind and I hustle, but I've been still, my eyes still shine. You know.
So those girls too can't go.
I don't go to mama house.
All of us, as in that hall empty, all of us.
Just go.
We make sure say
Una
all
drop
of
them
us
for
go
house.
as we come. Yeah, everything went well. That's what's up.
Yeah. So now can't drop them for house. No be bus stop, sha.
We don't grieve anybody. No. We don't strand. Nobody strand.
Only God know where they go to.
Yeah, nobody
No,
strand.
now just question now.
Me, I don't know. Not direct, not DM, not direct message. I receive.
You don't know. Maybe una say no. We don't want something to happen to you. Maybe we carry una go house.
Yeah. We made sure nobody was stranded because it was.
Even if now get visitors rooms.
Yeah.
Una call a number to make sure say as they reach house, you go call say hello. You don't reach house.
But actually, we been keep in touch. Till right now, we're still in touch. Like
You and all of them.
You get somewhere we say call me as in I see your other new video. You know even invite me.
Because
I said no be so, no be that kind of thing, but we go still shoot. So
I didn't take get your number.
if you go on Twitter,
So what's up? My brother, we know these things.
Yeah.
We know it.
For real.
We know it.
I got just
He said that they call me, say my brother. I see another video. Why you don't call?
You don't say they will go say.
How they get your number?
In case another thing deal.
in case of I mean like
Another thing done there, my people. Wait, now another video there. When we watch this one, see whether we go see the same something. Where we see the same faces. As then call and say, oh no.
No, you go see some other people. Even if like as me and you did so check, you go see say I did with person when no did the video. These faces are faces that might not be seen in the next video.
Hey, now welcome our top night show. My papa, there's problem in Jacob's house. Hey, yeah, I think about that. It just simply means right now.
Right now.
Right now. As in now. So everything when they talk, I mean right now. I'm just telling my default setting.
Delay is dangerous, so I mean like we did take advantage.
Right now. Right now.
Right now.
Yes. That's
everything easy like right now.
And with DJ Easy right now.
I don't think small. You try.
Okay, so tell us about this video and this song.
Yeah, that was directed by Avalon Ukbe. That was shot in Lagos here too, Lekki. Shout outs to Edo Junior. That's mine.
How many years you don't do this Lagos?
You know, to tell like that, but
I just like say this man just enter Lagos, take things around, take things by
storm.
storm.
Yeah, but normally that's what's happening. That's what it had to be like. That's what will still happen.
My brother.
The guy.
That's no go stop. That's no go stop. No, you know, I didn't you know say in case you don't say I'm stop, no surprise. Just no say I say
I mean, it's gonna be like a rat, just entering many places at the same time.
Yeah, I feel.
But Tino,
Like
what
a
will be your
virus.
plans? I mean,
My own plans?
Just produce. He's a talk. Man cast them small.
I beg, help me casting because
Yeah.
that's what time when we are talking about Ikpa, you go just put mouth, you go hide,
Make I
you
ginger
go forget
myself.
say him there here.
Man cast them small.
Now him follow produce this song.
This is Man Peasy, but he just produced Two Faces latest single. That's Mr. Senator.
You see now, if you not talk now, him no go talk am.
I
You
got-
don't sit down like a normal somebody. But I know somebody that's mixing with the stars.
I was proud when I heard the boss. That's Two Face. Like I mean, that's like one of Nigeria's legend on his beat. He made me. I get
I beg, make I chop the no go one
respect.
time.
But in they do like say now nothing.
See, nothing they happen.
In gas carry on from there. I don't wash myself. I don't cast. I'm just on
You
casting.
are talk this, you are something with
I'm just on casting,
Two
that's
Baba
all.
where you say Mr. Senator.
Oh,
Uba.
me and two Baba, No, it's smart, you know. So I make a copy in all in
Yeah, no be smart.
All is smart, you know.
Yeah.
Nothing they happen. Finally, it can't happen like that.
Happy,
Now,
happy.
Kellyanne, some, I ain't link me and I'm up.
Okay.
But I think hear from me. In Badu, I'm saying,
Yeah. He feel him himself.
nobody, no force him.
You self they sing, I think.
Yeah.
Or you they rap because this one I don't know. It's
in
called
some-
rap. You they
Because
rap.
anything can happen.
They are rap singers.
No,
You they rap, you they sing.
See,
Because this
me-
Ikpa they rap, they sing.
Akpani
See,
called
actually,
okay.
eh,
Videos or yeah,
before me,
videos. We're still
before,
working
eh,
on videos. Because
before me,
videos.
now I'm production, I've been singing.
Yeah.
You understand?
You don't require.
You know, okay, choir, come on, choir.
You come on, you get quiet. I come on that
I
know.
for.
I see when I start for choir, say
studio.
no be choir only.
no, see, choir now,
Everybody say they sing for choir. now.
And
choir
of course,
one
most of the
day-
people when they
see,
sing for choir
see that
never
choir
blow.
one, eh?
Him mean the one where we say you go studio
See,
to
that
sing.
of choir is
Banger to
that
blow,
of choir
that kind
is
song.
basic.
Okay.
You understand? Everybody choir now. Me, I don't sing for choir before.
That
But
man, you know.
You must start
the
somewhere.
career, as for the career,
Uh,
I've been they sing before, but around me, I not been the fine person who go they give me the kind beat I want. They always in the play for my head. So that when I get into the studio and I'm like, okay, I beg, me go work on something. At the end of the day, I'll end up playing things with my mouth like, okay, if I want the bass line,
And it's not supposed to be so.
if I want the bass line, I'll go and go the boom 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 boom. You don't understand?
Boss, they catch you,
make
because
it-
that DJ,
so
he know,
make
he know.
it- before I go on the so far the
you go be
producer
like a mad
guy-
person. They make sound with his
Yeah.
mouth. Who no go don't look and say.
Who no
Who no go don't look and say. I hope it's okay. You say no, brother, they come. Look, say, you know how you go to do things, they talk to yourself.
Yeah, you got to play
So
something.
sometimes
You
we
try
dey
play
quarrel with the
something.
producer guy, you go the verse and say,
Get issues.
why you go call they tell me everything to do? You want to teach me all that kind of now.
Eh.
But before you know, me, everything in my head. Waiting I want, make them play them in my head. already.
Never crazy. So if everything there your head
waiting-
like that.
No, it mean
Waiting-
waiting, like the
wait-
sounds, the sounds.
Yeah, I gonna like, okay, waiting go happen, where make me calm down, beg person me or go pay, make them teach me this thing one time. So that I go feel, I go there happy.
Yes,
He
yes.
got humble, go learn how to the producer himself.
I go meet person we like me, say, teach me the thing. So the person, I just be studio boy then though.
Okay, but you did it. You come be like sponge, just they learn everything.
Around
Run there around and
music
there
since.
around and maybe if you do something like confuse me, I go waiting be that you go show me.
Now me say you get the talent joy because no be everybody will be studio hand. Fit decide. It be like easy now. Not be everybody will hear music go say okay because my friend or most of my friends be DJ. Now him be
Yeah.
say it's natural for me
So
to
that means
become
you just
DJ.
enter,
You must
yes.
you must get
Actually,
something.
you
must
dey play songs
dance
for your
you.
phones now. You dey play songs for yourself for your
They
phones
inside
now.
you.
You self na
then,
DJ. So
then,
him own, him being gas, that him own na standard. Me I
No,
dey
this
fear, I know they go do.
easy DJ and no be here.
No,
Yeah, like I was saying, so when the guy now woke up one morning, okay, I slept in the studio. The guy now woke up one morning, and he saw me making a beat. You understand? And the guy was like, "What do you do for him?" I don't begin to make beats.
Nah, so that was
The
like
beats
first
make
step
sense.
already.
So from there, the guy was forced to show me more things.
Oh boy, this guy, he be me like, waiting Ikpa talk, na true, say, this man, don't be surprised, say, we go bring and come back inside the studio,
yeah,
because
sure.
as Ikpa talk, say, things are in the something work.
Like I tell you that.
Like, you know,
things
Taylor
are coming through like right now.
Like a Taylor, like right now. If people want to follow you on Instagram, for example, and all
that's-
those social media things.
That's it.
I know, say, Ikpa na Ikpa_. Udo, U-D-O.
I mean, not stressful. You will remember.
You know what? You know who he remind me of? Remind me of Lil Kesh.
Yeah.
You know, so when Lil Kesh sit down here, be like old man, we get sense, small old man. Person when small boy get old man sense.
That
be this
better
one.
compliments, and I appreciate. I shy myself like right now.
So you know, you just follow you on Instagram.
Yeah.
OTYNO.
OTYNO.
Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, everything. Now.
Oh boy, my brothers don't come show today. We dey go house now until next time. So young for potato. I put what the potato.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.